Hi, and welcome to another video tutorial. In this video, we'll focus on the app content and how you could use them effectively in order to help you make more informed decisions. Let's jump right into the app. Once you've logged into the app, you'll land on the default page, which is the For You page. We'll start focusing on highlights. Under highlights, expect to find any market moving news, any update from us, or any potential instruments that are added. We are frequently updating the highlights. They are for quick news if you want to know what's going on around the world. Then we have Finance Ghost, partnered with BROKSTOCK. Here, Finance Ghost will focus on both reasons to buy into the company and why you would need to potentially sell the company. But after all, at the end of it, you would need to make your own personal decision whether you want to invest in the company or you want to short the company. Market Analyzed. Here we look into weekly analysis and earnings report coming out from both JSE and the US. This is where clients can actually see how the market will look for the week for chosen companies, and also how the earnings, which will give you an overview of how the company has been performing quarterly, whether or half yearly. Then we have the Getting Started section. This is mostly for new investors that don't know where to start and they don't trust most analysis that they find in the app. Well, blue chip stocks mostly focus on companies that have been around and they've been able to withstand any market downturns. They do experience downturns, but they haven't been as significant as other companies like growth companies. And then we have Magnificent Seven, which are the biggest tech stocks. We have penny stocks, which focuses on companies that are selling for less than $5 or 10 Rand. And these are the companies that you can actually potentially look into buying into if you're new to investing. We then have Investment Insights. With Investment Insights, we focus on actual entry and exit prices, giving you an overview of why the company should be bought and what to look out for. As we've been saying, after all, you need to make the final decision. This is just an overview and giving you an idea of what you can potentially look out for your next investment insights. We have Growth Leaders, which you can look into. These are the best performing companies, whether you want to actually filter them for one day, whether you're interested in filtering them for 7 days, or you're interested in filtering them for the month, which is 30 days. You can actually do that under the app. Next, we have Crypto section. Here we'll focus on any market movers, any potential news coming out of crypto that could affect investors, and we have grouped some of the crypto tokens that we have in the app. So make sure to check it out because it will give you a nice overview of what's happening in the crypto space. We then have investment strategies. These are the different kinds of strategies that you can deploy, whether you're interested in undervalued companies, long-term growth potential companies, short-term growth potential companies, and most volatile companies, or dividends-driven shares. So basically here you can find companies that are grouped according to how they've been performing and how the growth has been over the past few years. And then we have key sectors. When we look into key sectors, this will give you an overview of any sector that you're interested in, or industry for that matter. So if it is you're interested in REITs, you can actually find REITs here. If you're interested in mining companies, you can find them under material. Basically, if you are interested in any industry, then you can actually search for it according to that and find the specific companies you're actually looking to invest in. We next have Exchange Traded Fund. Here we'll look into different themes in which you can invest in. Remember, ETFs can be found under indices, or whether it is you're interested in companies that are dealing with just commodities, interested in companies that are just dealing with AI chips. So you can find them all under Exchange Traded Funds. You can also see which ones are passive and which ones are actively managed funds. Next, we have dividends. Under dividends, you will see dividends that will be paid for the week for both JSE and the US. You can actually check them out here, and they are also grouped according to the amounts that will be paid. And last but not least, we have price drop. Here then you will potentially see any companies that have dropped in the past 1 day, in the past week, or in the past month. This is where you can potentially see which companies have been performing badly. This is how you can read the For You page. If you like the video, like and subscribe below, and keep a lookout for the next video. Thanks for watching.